What did I just buy, bro? I just bought this 2024 totaled Mustang with an RTR package, and this thing looks destroyed, man. Let's take a look at all the damage it has. I thought the body was bad. Look at this. I can't believe I just paid $27,000 for this car. That is an RTR though. And this is not even the worst part. Man, I just hope this thing start up. So we're gonna find out soon. I gotta get this, bro. It's my wife calling me. Hey, baby.
Hey, honey bunny.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Just here at the shop.
Still?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing there?
Hell, nothing.
We were there on a Saturday by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see the front view.
There's nothing here, baby.
Did you buy a car? Because you never go there on a Saturday.
No. We're just filming, wrapping a car. Let me call you back, baby. I'm in the middle of filming, okay?
Wait, no, let me see.
Love you. We might be in trouble, bruh. Damn, bro, so we got power, so that's a good sign. Man, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This is my first time sitting inside one of these Mustangs, and this thing has nicer screen than my M3 does. And the interior is pretty nice. This is a premium package, and like I said, it is the RTR number 249 Spec 2. I don't know what the hell that means, man. I'm gonna need all the help I can get from y'all on this build, because I don't know anything about Mustangs, and y'all told me to get this car, so. Anyways, let's get to the real moment and see if this car actually starts up. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir! Yes, sir, man. I'm so glad and happy that we got it start. So it sounds good when it's running. It's kind of a little quiet, huh?
Yeah, a little too quiet.
Can you imagine one little header action with a full exhaust? I think that's what we're gonna have to do, man. So the car's alive. That's a good thing. See, the motor sounded good at least. I think it's gonna be a fun project. We got a few things that are issue with the interior, man. We got airbags deployed right here. Current airbags. You got some airbags deployed in the back. It's kind of hard to see, but it is part of, I don't know, part of the current airbags. I don't know, man. We're gonna figure this out later. This might be the first car giveaway that I'm doing on YouTube, so y'all gotta be part of this build. So y'all tell me, what do y'all want me to put on this car? Obviously, it needs a full front end, as y'all see. So should we go with RTR again, or should we switch it up? But yeah, this might be the first giveaway, man. Stay tuned for this build. Man, is there a supercharger I'm not seeing? Maybe it's in the trunk. Damn, imagine, let's go check. Oh man, that was the only thing that was gonna save us. What? We don't even have the spare tire stuff. They took everything out, man. What the hell, boy? Oh, bro. I don't think this car is worth it anymore. Gigi, hey, have you seen my new car?
What is this?
It's my new car. What do you think of it?
Why does it look like that?
Oh! What do you mean? What's wrong with it?
How is it new?
It's new to me.
Why'd you buy this car? This looks so bad. You probably can't even fix this.
Ah, you're gonna dump me like that? Or we're gonna fix it and we're gonna make it the baddest Mustang you'll ever see on the road.
I think everything's messed up.
Yeah, but we're gonna make it the prettiest Mustang in the whole world, man. Stay tuned for that. Gigi, first one to doubt us. I'm sure we're gonna get plenty of more, but we're gonna make sure this car looks amazing. You just get ready to wrap it.
No, I'm good.
Oh, she's gonna wrap it. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments what color should we do this. I'm thinking something like, we're not gonna talk about that. Y'all let me know what color y'all want it, because like I said, this might be a giveaway car. So the real worst part that I'm stressed about is this right here. So the moment of truth, we're about to lift the car up and see if it's really as bad as we think, or is it maybe fixable and we can make it the baddest car on the road. So let's put this car up and find out. This is the main thing that I was concerned about and passed the test. So the differential is actually not cracked and it's not damaged, at least from the outside look of it, which is a good sign. Obviously we do have some suspension damage, which is not the biggest deal in my world. As y'all know, I own a body shop, so we work on cars all the time. Yeah, it's hit pretty good. Look, let me show you from right here. Come look at this. Look at this. This thing snapped off, bro. Look at this. Look at that. That is crazy. Probably, you know, just doing Mustang things. I mean, everything underneath the car actually looks a lot better than I thought, man. So that's good news. No leaks. It looks straight. Literally, it's just dirty on the bottom. There's nothing major going on. I mean, this car only has 5,000 miles on it, so it's literally new. It smells new on the inside. So you can see here, look, the brake lines, it still has a sticker on it, which is crazy. But yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. It's way better than I thought. I had in mind the car was gonna be destroyed underneath, and that was probably my biggest concern. But thank God it actually looks good under the car. And yeah, I think it might be worth it. Like I said, I paid $27,000 for this car. I think we can build it way less, not way less, but less than what the actual market value on one of these cars. We got the perfect combination that came on the car that I wasn't expecting. The RTR and the Brembo brakes, man. So I'm happy about that. Yeah, help me find the parts. Give me ideas. Let's build this thing, make it the baddest car out there. And like I said, I'm really leaning towards giving this car away to one of you guys. So make sure you stay tuned for the build. I'm thinking to do maybe Tuesdays from now on, every single Tuesday at 3 p.m. You guys gonna get a new video about the Mustang rebuild. So y'all stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell button. And yeah, for more, you know, day-to-day stuff, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well. And just like that, we out. Too easy.